What's going on, guys? Travis Kennedy here, owner of Kennedy Defensive Shooting. Today I'm going to talk about buttstock placement and how to properly set it up for your body type. Here we go. Guys, buttstock placement for the carbine. All right, for this example, for me, I'm 5'10", 180, so use that as a reference for yourself, because everybody is different, because you want this thing to be dialed in, because it is an extension of our body, and it has everything to do with how we shoot, recoil management, eye relief for our optic. Most buttstocks have 3 placements all the way in, 1 click out, 2 clicks out, which is my preference, or all the way out. Okay, so mine is all the way out and 1 click in, so basically 2 clicks out, and that is a good extension for my arm reach and, most importantly, my eye relief with my optic, and I'm using the EOTech right here. Okay, another important factor is how I can manipulate this rifle. If I have it right here, the main point is I want the buttstock underneath my forearm. Okay, that way I have power and control over this carbine. Okay, if I have it too far in, or if I keep it up, now the entire weight of this rifle is bearing down on my hand and my wrist, and I'm weak. This is a weak position. I can't strike, I can hardly shoot, I have no control over this carbine. Okay, we want it here, as you can see. Underneath, I can move tactically with the high ready, I can strike if I need to. I get good position if I go to high ready. Okay, it's important to really take this into consideration, take the time to dial this in. I do not recommend shooting buttstock all the way in. Only time I would ever do this is if I'm traveling in a vehicle and I need to stow the rifle. Okay, and then when I exit the vehicle or tight space, I can go to my position that I like for my shooting preference. So always remember that. If you have it too far, you're gonna find, if you're using a scope, you may see some black in your scope. That means you're too far away. Again, dial into buttstock, find that preference, and you'll see huge changes in how you shoot, recoil management, and the overall performance. All right, guys, I hope you got something out of that video. Remember, this is important, so dial it in for your shooting preference. Train hard, teams.